Hola, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a classic Mexican side dish, refried beans. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And these taste like you'll get at a Mexican restaurant. Great to serve with enchiladas, quesadillas, stuff it in burritos, nachos, and more. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Mexican cornbread. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pot, your pinto beans, and your seasonings, sugar, because we're about to cook some refried beans magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my colander, I have 2 pounds of pinto beans, and I'm rinsing them and removing the pebbles. And as soon as I get through rinsing them, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through rinsing my beans, and I removed all the pebbles. So now I place them into my large pot, and I'm going to fill it up with water. Alright, so now I'm going to cover the pot. So now we're going to let the beans soak in the water overnight. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day, so now I'm going to drain my pinto beans. So now I'm going to place them back into my pot. So now I'm going to add in 1 large onion that I cut into quarters. I'm using yellow, or you can use white. And I'm going to fill it up with water. So now I have placed my pot onto my stove, and I have my fire over high heat, and I'm going to add in a couple of dashes of kosher salt. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our beans has came to a boil, so now I'm going to cover my pot. Going to cut my heat down to simmer. And we're going to let it cook for 1 hour until the beans are tender. Alright, my friends, it's been 1 hour. Let's take a look at the beans, see if they're tender. Excellent. Alright, so now I'm going to drain my beans, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through draining my beans, and I removed the onion, and I reserved the bean broth. Now it is time to cook our refried beans. I have my cast iron skillet nice and hot. I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in our fats. 2 tablespoons of lard, or you can use vegetable or canola oil, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to let those melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our butter and lard has melted. So now we're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic that I minced, and give it a stir. Now we're going to add in the cooked pinto beans and our seasonings. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And a little of the bean broth. I'm using 1/4 of a cup. Add more if needed. Gonna give it a quick stir. Now I'm going to smash my beans using my potato masher, or you can use a fork. And it depends how smooth you like your beans. So I'm going to let it cook and continue stirring and mashing, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cooking my refried beans, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. Perfect. See how nice and creamy it is? And I added just the right amount of bean broth. It has the right amount of seasoning. So now I'm about to pour it into my bowl. Alright, my friends, I have poured my refried beans into my bowl, and there's a couple more things we got to add to it. Some shredded cheese and some freshly chopped cilantro. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Homemade refried beans. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, and I garnished mine with some more cilantro and shredded cheese. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Gonna stir it a little bit so the cheese can melt in there. Look at that. Have a bite. It's so creamy, it just melts in your mouth. It's bursting with flavor, and the beans are perfectly cooked. These refried beans are incredible, my friends. And it smells awesome. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Refried beans, licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Cinco de Mayo.